Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Anthony Lombardi, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about my EXSTORE assessment system. EXSTORE is a hybrid word which stands for examine and restore. And it was created based on pre-existing research from academic journals. What I did is I took this pre-existing research and I formulated an assessment system so that chiropractors, physiotherapists, medical doctors, massage therapists, and all other therapists could apply this assessment system efficiently and effectively within only 2 or 3 minutes.
I like the EXSTORE system because it gets me walking properly again right away. You know, I can walk out of here feeling much better than when I came in.
If you're a high-performance athlete, like a professional kickboxer like myself, you need to make sure EXSTORE is part of your training routine.
It's not just a temporary fix. You know, I can go for weeks and weeks and months feeling good.
High-performance athletes put their bodies through high-performance training. So it's of utmost importance to make sure that your body is healthy and stress-free. And EXSTORE is just the icing on the cake.
And what he's able to do is unlike anybody else.
I'm a professional tennis coach and I deal with high-performance tennis development of players. I had an ongoing wrist issue for the past 3 years. And I've been to many specialists, doctors and so forth, and physio and ongoing treatment. And essentially I stumbled upon Anthony, and you know, what he did for me in basically 6 weeks, I could not get done in the previous 3 years with everybody else.
Major chiropractic publications such as Chiropractic Economics and Canadian Chiropractor Magazine have featured articles on the EXSTORE assessment system. Therapists such as chiropractors, massage therapists, medical doctors, and physiotherapists have incorporated the EXSTORE assessment system in their practice with fantastic results.
So the EXSTORE system for me as a therapist has made my job significantly easier. It's a great assessment tool to sort of pinpoint the trouble areas that most patients have that are not really typically found.
Dr. Olson, a medical doctor, says, "I have used the EXSTORE system and found it to be an efficient way in localizing the cause of dysfunction. This has saved me time as well as reduced my reliance on radiology to give me the diagnosis. I would suggest this system to any primary care provider in the assessment of a musculoskeletal disorder."
I find it really easy, and I kind of explain to patients that it's really simple. It's like a car alignment. Are you going to consistently replace the tire, or are we going to try to find the global problem, being the alignment? Correct the alignment instead of the tire, you won't have those issues for much longer. And that's what the EXSTORE system does.
Now let's look at a few testimonials from our athletes. I have one from Stevie Baggs Jr., a linebacker for the NFL's Baltimore Ravens. Stevie says, "What I really like about the EXSTORE is that the doc can find out what isn't firing right away so that more time can be spent on treatment." I was introduced to the EXSTORE system while recovering from a patellar tendon rupture. It was grueling. During my first EXSTORE scan, it was found that during the long recovery process, there were quite a few muscles that had basically shut down. Using the EXSTORE system, we were able to identify these muscles and get them firing correctly again. My old teammate, who is now a linebacker for the NFL's New York Jets, told me about Dr. Lombardi's EXSTORE system. I think the EXSTORE assessment system is fantastic. It finds what muscles aren't working, and once Dr. Lombardi knew that, he got them fired back up right away. I feel like a teenager again after every treatment.